The A minor pentatonic scale on page 129 is in 5th position. It starts with your first finger on the 5th fret of the lowest or thickest string, followed by your 4th finger on the 8th fret of that same string. The rest of the fingerings are as follows: 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. When students are new to soloing and they're just starting to learn this scale, I usually have them take just 1 or 2 strings at a time so that they can memorize that pattern easier, practice a variety of rhythms over that backing track, and also really listen to how each note sounds over each chord. Some notes are going to sound fantastic at certain times and really lousy at others. And there's a theory behind this that I go into great detail on in volume 2 of my series. The blue scale has 1 additional note, the flat 5 or blue note. It shows up twice in that pattern. It's not a note that you want to lay into because it's going to sound pretty bad, but it works great if you play that chromatically up or down.